In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the basic rules of drafting. The first page of the memo has to be red for the respondent and blue for the appellant. The second page of the memo consists of the following details. First, type of jurisdiction. Second, the section under which appeal has to be filed. And third, name of the parties. Third page is for the table of contents, which should be within one page. Fourth is for the index of authorities, which comprises of statutes, judicial decisions, books, and online database. Fifth comes for statement of jurisdiction. Sixth, statement of facts. Present the facts according to the side you have chosen. You cannot introduce new facts, you cannot assume facts, but you can present in a manner which suits your situation. Seventh, statement of issue. There may be 4 to 5 issues on which your arguments will be based. Eighth is summary of arguments. It should be prepared after preparing the detailed arguments, and it has necessarily to be restricted to one page. Seventh, arguments advanced or pleadings. It has to be within 1500 words and not more than 10 pages. Deal with each issue separately. Then comes the citations. What are citations? Citations allows you to add the authority where the judgment was pronounced. Footnotes. Footnote font size 10, line spacing 1 and Times New Roman. And for the main body, font size 12, 1.5 line spacing and Times New Roman. At last comes your prayer, which has to be restricted to one page. And also adhere to all the margins, all the rules and regulations relating to the margin, font size, and page numbering also has to be done at the bottom of each page. It has to be centered. You will be marked for your memorial also, and kindly adhere to all the rules and regulations. All the best.